In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check likes on Instagram in 2025, what you can and can't see. Instagram limits access to other people's activity for privacy reasons, so there isn't a master list of someone else's likes. But there are a few reliable ways to check likes on specific public posts. See posts your friends have liked if you have the new feed, and review your own likes history. Let's start with checking likes on a specific public post. Open Instagram and go to the post you're curious about. This can be yours or someone else's, as long as the post is visible to you. Tap the likes count, the line that might say something like 1,234 likes. This opens the list of accounts that liked that post. From here, you can scroll through or use the search bar at the top to type a username and quickly check if they liked it. Even private accounts will show up in this list if they liked the post and the post is visible to you. Keep in mind, if the creator has chosen to hide like counts on that post, you won't be able to open the full list. Next, there's a newer feature called the With Friends feed. This section highlights posts or reels that your followed friends have liked and tells you which friends interacted with them. To find it, head to your main feed and look for a section labeled With Friends. Tap in and you'll see a stream of content influenced by your friends' likes. Note that Instagram is rolling this out gradually, so not every account will have it yet, and it won't show a complete history, just a curated feed of items your friends liked. Now, if you want to see your own likes history, Instagram makes that easy. Tap your profile icon, then the three lines in the top corner. Go to your activity, then interactions, and choose likes. You'll see a chronological list of everything you've liked. Use the filters to narrow by date range, content type, or author to find exactly what you need faster. A quick word of caution: you might see third-party services claiming they can track someone else's likes over time. Tools like these often violate Instagram's terms and can put your account at risk of limits or bans, not to mention privacy concerns. The safest route is to stick to Instagram's built-in tools. Remember, likes on public posts are visible, but full like histories for other people remain private by design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.